Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Basic to Finance. In today's tutorial video, I'm gonna guide you through how to download Trust Wallet application on your PC. Keep watching the video till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. The first thing to do in order to download Trust Wallet app on your PC, you'll need to download an Android emulator. In my case, I've downloaded the BlueStacks 5. If you've not downloaded BlueStacks or any kind of an Android emulator, go and open up a web browser, search for any Android emulators that is available throughout the internet, and simply get it on your PC. If you'd like to download the BlueStacks Android emulator, simply go ahead and enter www.bluestacks.com in the web address bar. Make a search and download the application on your PC by clicking on the download button. Once you have the application, click it open to launch it on. Installing an Android emulator stimulates Android devices on your computer so that you can test your application on a variety of devices and Android API levels without needing to have each physical device. You'll be able to find all of the applications that are available on your Play Store with the help of an Android emulator. Once you open up your Android emulator, go to the Play Store button located on the display. This will open up your Play Store and you'll be able to find all of the applications that are available on your Play Store and get it on your PC. In the search box that appears at the top, type in Trust Wallet. Once you type it in, press enter on your keyboard. You'll be able to see the Trust Wallet application displayed on the screen. Click the install button in green right next to the app in order to download the application for your PC. Wait until the app gets installed on your computer. Once it is done with the installation, you'll be able to see an open button popping up right next to the app, which means the app is now ready for use. Click the open button to launch the app open. That is how you'll be able to download Trust Wallet application on your PC quick and easy. But remember that you'll need to open up your BlueStacks Android emulator in order to operate the application. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.